Fly Rod Chronicles, we're traveling way down south to Argentina to fish the Patagonia Mountains with our good friends at Argentina Waters. We hook up with the G-Man, and my daughter Autumn and I are shooting for the moon, and we're going after the IGFA Trout Grand Slam. Stick around, you're going to want to see some big fish in Patagonia. Traveling the world, fishing, enjoying the great outdoors. Those are things that would have seemed impossible to me when I was a kid growing up in the mountains of West Virginia. I'm a lucky man, and I never want to forget it, and I'm hoping that sharing my experiences with folks will inspire them to do the same. I'm Curtis Fleming, and these are my Fly Rod Chronicles. All right, we made it down to Buenos Aires down here in Argentina. Get another stamp for the passport. This is new. Always wanted to come down. We got about a 2.5-hour flight further south down to Patagonia. Excited about this trip. We've had it on the bucket list, and can't wait to get down there and see this country. Got a good weather report. I've heard taking some big hopper flies and hitting on top, and that's always fun. And got the family somewhere here with me. They're doing what they do best, playing tourists. So we're excited. Brought some good friends. This is going to be awesome. So. All right, now we got to Esquel, and Argentina Waters just picked us up, so we're loading all of our gear. Dan's doing the math. Dan, how many is there?
11.
11 of us, which means 132 pieces of luggage. So, if my maths are correct.
Just with you and all your makeup.
Is that what it is? Makeup and props and all that, yeah. 6,000 different rods, so yeah. I think
Sherpa.
I know. I think we're gonna be all right though. We're going to Argentina Waters now, so.
We both met in Buenos Aires many years ago. We are both studying cooking. We are both cooking chefs. And then we decided to mix our passions because Gonzalo is passionate for
Fishing, of course.
and from Patagonia. So we decided, we started thinking about what we could do to combine all our passions. Gonzalo loves fly fishing, and he always loved nature. So we came to Patagonia, and after many years working, looking for a special place to build a lodge, we found this one. And 5 years ago, we built this new lodge, Le Fario Lodge.
We go first to the Kruger Lake. It's behind that little river there. That is the Futalovkin Lake. And there are a small river about 400, 500 meters long. between both lakes, that is a good place to shoot streamers. That's a very good.
Yeah.
Sí, ahí quiere pescar
Yeah.
ahí en el estrecho un poquito.
Yeah.
That is a good place to shoot some kind of streamer. Also, in the floating line, you can put a small bully bagger
Yeah.
in the floating line and try it behind the logs and all that.
That's one of my tricks. I'm famous for my woolly buggers.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
That's a good fly.
Diamonds,
That's a good fly.
And the way this works, we will go and we'll fish it like really hard, and we'll fish it really and stir it up real hard, and then after we fish it real hard, then you can come in. Then you get to come in.
Thanks, Curtis.
Yeah.
At least you let me near you.
Hey, good luck. All right, buddy.
Good luck.
Good luck, Autumn.
Good luck.
You want to tell Dick good luck, or
Yeah.
is
It's
it?
on,
Good
Dick.
luck.
It's on. Oh, it's on, Dick. Here we go. Here we go.
That's good lad. Says, have fun.
Yeah.
Have fun.
Have fun.
Have fun.
Much better.
Have fun. So a Grand Slam over here in Argentina consists of 3 different species of fish in one day. You know, we do some work with the IGFA, the International Game Fish Association. Same thing, 3 fish, different species in one day. So we went after the rainbow trout, the brook trout, and the brown trout. There he is, there's fish. Fish!
Fish on.
All right. Looks like we got us a rainbow. Patagonia rainbow. I don't think he realizes he's hooked yet, does he? Oh, now he does. All right, my man. Take it, we'll take it. On the board. Yes. All right. Yeah. So my first Argentina rainbow. Oh my goodness, that's hitting the 20-inch mark, isn't it? I saw him come up. Brownie. First nice brownie. Oh, there he goes. Nice. Some butter, huh? Yeah. Some butter. Oh, he's making a little TV. Oh! All right. My man Gonzala, you're the man. In the bucket. I love it.
Our lodge has 4 double rooms with a private bathroom each one. So we can host 8 up to 10 people per time, but we always prefer to have small groups. And here we serve breakfast, lunch and dinner. When you go fishing, lunch will be outside in the fishing place, and all the others here. We have a chef. We can host families, couples, anglers, friends. We can also host business partners that come here to relax or just to enjoy the place. So we are open to everybody.
That's up. Oh,
Yes.
yes, baby, be a brookie. Come on, be a Grand Slammer. No, is it a brookie?
I think,
No. Tell me he's a brookie.
It's a brookie.
It's a brookie. We get into the net, it's a Grand Slam. I'm telling you, I'm done for the week if we can net this thing. I'm going to bed. I'm just telling you. Three fish, Grand Slam, IGFA. We got us a Grand Slam. My daughter Autumn's fishing for the rest of the week now.
Nice.
Three fish.
Well done.
G-Man.
Well done.
My man G-Man.
Well done.
Three fish.
Three fish.
Third one on
Three fish Grand
a
Slam.
Chernobyl.
On a Chernobyl.
I'm telling you, I am as stoned and high on life as you can be out here in the Andes in the Patagonia.
Look at the beautiful
Look at
brookie.
this guy.
Beautiful
I
brookie.
love it.
Very good.
I'm done. I'm retired. Hey, ready? Here it goes. Mic drop. Ready? Here it goes. I'm just kidding. It costs too much, man. Hatch has been too good to me. I can't do it. I love it. I love it. I'm telling you guys right now, this is not a shameless plug. We've been out here for a half an hour. Come down here and see these guys, Argentina waters, the G-Man. It's been unbelievable. We got down here last night. We left West Virginia, flew down here. They picked us up at the airport. They fed us. I mean, I laid in bed last night and I couldn't see the alarm clock because my belly was like this. You guys fed us so good. Woke up this morning to a good breakfast, came out here. Like I said, we've been out here for a half hour and three fish, Grand Slam. IGFA is gonna love it. You guys are absolutely amazing.
Very
Your
good.
wife,
Well done.
family-owned
Thank you.
businesses. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, that's right. Oh, yes. Way to go, Autumn. Let it run. Let it run. Let it run. Way to go. Way to go.
Put your rock there to the left. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Look at that.
What is it?
A rainbow.
Rainbow, rainbow.
That's a nice one. Yeah.
Way to go, girl. Way to go. Doing great. Yeah, give it to
Woo!
me.
Yeah! G-Man! Oh my gosh.
Autumn.
What makes Argentina water so special?
Well, we can offer to the anglers in our area different kind of fishing, fly fishing, fishing in lakes, fishing in rivers, fishing dry flies, streamers, fishing a nymph. We have a lot of variety, that kind of fishing, and also we have browns, rainbows, brookies, and landlocked salmon in our waters, and that's good for fishermen.
And also we can offer other activities for people who come and don't fish, like hiking in the national park. We are placed in the middle of a beautiful national park, which is huge and has a huge variety of activities, like rafting, horseback, hiking, trekkings. People can get in touch with us through our website, which is www.argentinawaters.com.
Shortcut. There. Perfect. Yes, to the hook, to the hook. You got it. Brookie, brookie.
Yes.
Nice.
Woo!
Trout on them, brook trout.
Tight fishing.
Yeah, wow.
Very good.
Just as I was about to give you the rod.
Keep the tension on.
Look at this fish. Look at the fins on this thing.
Oh my gosh, this water.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
Yes!
Yeah! Woo! Oh my gosh.
Don't leave me hanging.
Yes. So it didn't hit me that it was even possible for me to get a Grand Slam, but after I caught a rainbow and my brook trout, Gonzalez took me to this great location and it happened. I got my Grand Slam.
Oh, big brown, big brown. Okay, we got the Grand Slam, baby.
Hold on.
We got the Grand Slam.
Don't.
Sorry.
Oh, Grand Slam, baby.
Brown.
Grand Slam.
Nice.
Brown Town. My girl, my girl. This is gonna go acrobatic time.
Hey,
Nice.
shout out to G-Man. I don't think I've caught.
Oh,
This might be my second time.
beautiful fish. Beautiful. Yeah, baby. She's got big fish.
Yes.
Look at this guy. It's a beast. You know, as a kid, you know, reading about Patagonia and Argentina, of course, it's a bucket list trip, and having a fly fishing show and always dreaming about coming down here. First day out on the water has met all expectations. Argentina Waters, these guys, they've absolutely crushed it. You know, every way you turn is a postcard. Fishing today with G-Man, yeah, he's just, you know, he's full of enthusiasm. And, you know, to go out on the water today with one of my daughters and sharing it with Autumn was just epic. And, you know, he's like, you fish first, Curtis. And, you know, I'm wanting to share it with Autumn, and he's like, no, I need you to throw this streamer. And right off the bat, you know, I hook up and catch a rainbow, and he's like, no, keep fishing. And he's like, trust me, I will take care of her today. And then, you know, I catch a brown trout, and he's like, oh my gosh, he's like, you're gonna get a Grand Slam today, because I'm gonna put you on a brook trout. So just right off the bat, I catch a Grand Slam, and I'm like, wow, I'm gonna be able to say, on the first day in Patagonia, I catch an IGFA Grand Slam. And I'm looking at my daughter like, I'm kind of selfish. I just got a Grand Slam in front of her, and she's, you know, that girl that's like cheering me on like a cheerleader. And so I give her the rod, and I'm like, I'm not fishing no more. You've got the rest of the day. And so she locks into a rainbow. In her second cast, she catches a monster brook trout. And G-Man looks at me, and he's like, you know what's about to happen? We're about to catch a father-daughter Grand Slam. That's like unheard of. And again, as a bucket list trip, come down here on the first day, go out and catch an IGFA Grand Slam. It's emotional.